Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today I'm doing the Peter McKinnon B-roll challenge. Now this challenge is basically going to the most boring spot that you can find and shooting some of the best B-roll that you can shoot, and this involves a lot of techniques that I have learned for a while. So I'm going to be doing this, but with a twist. I'm only going to be able to stand in one spot and shoot all of the B-roll for the final product standing in that one spot. Let's see how it goes. If you want to go right to the B-roll sequence that I will have shot, go to the time code that I'm showing right now. When I first saw the Peter McKinnon B-roll challenge, I was, it was a good video, but I wasn't really excited to do it myself. But later, talking with some other people who have YouTube channels, I was actually motivated to do it. So the one thing I wanted to do was make it a little bit different and twist it, which is where me only being able to stand in one spot comes in. Let's jump into me shooting B-roll. So I was just walking around and I found this great spot. It has some trees, it's in the shadow, and there's some bricks around it. So why don't I show it to you guys? So here we go. Here is the tree. It's pretty cool. It's got some gravel around it. I'm thinking that I'm going to be standing right about there, and that will give me quite a few options for B-roll on the tree and around the building. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright guys, now I'm going to move to my spot to shoot all of the B-roll. Let's do that right now. Well guys, I just finished up shooting the B-roll, so now's the time to jump in and take a look at it. If you're interested in getting more tips and tricks for getting better B-roll on your DSLR, I have a video already made. It's great. I'd watch it. I'll link it right here. Make sure to comment your favorite shot from my B-roll sequence down in the comments below. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.